from ATV channel and this is data handling part 3. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the notification icon, and let's start the video. So in part 2 we have discussed pie chart or circular chart, drawing of pie chart. Okay, in part 2 you are going to learn, I have going to explain you is chances and probability. Okay, okay, so I'll give you an example and I will explain with that only here. And suppose there is a test tomorrow and there are 5 chapters, okay, and you will learn only 4 chapters and you the 5th chapter, thinking that the 5th chapter will not come, questions will not come. So in the test today you will realize the major questions were from 5th chapter only. So you will take a chance there, and that chance will not work there because the 5th chapter, the major questions were from the 5th chapter and you did not learn. So you take a chance there, and but the chance will not work what you want from that. So this is an example, this is a chance, it's called a chance, and many more examples like this. And counting chance is called probability. Okay, now we will go to getting a result. Okay, here you have seen Vivo IPL, World Cup and many more. So in the cricket team, in the cricket match, before the match, the captains of the another teams will come and the umpire will toss the coin here. So there are 2 faces here, one is tails and one of is head, and to decide who will bat first here. Okay, so after tossing, what will be the result here? It may be head or tail, we don't know, we cannot predict it, and this result is called outcomes. Okay, and let's go to equally likely probability. Okay, now I'll toss this 10 times. Okay, so I have tossed this 10 times here, so I have got 6 times tails and 4 times heads. So what is equally likely probability here? See this tails is gained 6 times here, so and heads is gained 4 times, means these both are just equal, means not 2-3 numbers. Okay, just 2-3 numbers they have difference, means now I'll cross this 50 times and 24 times I will get tails and 26 times I will get heads. Just 1 or 2 numbers will be difference, and this is called equally likely probability. Just 1 or 2 numbers difference, or 6 and less than 10. Okay, now we will go to an event. Okay, so what is this event? Now here 2 outcomes are there. Okay, these are the 2 outcomes here. Okay, so these 2 outcomes, and if I toss here and I have got head here, so this is an outcome, and this outcome is called event. Okay, if you take a dice here, so there are 6 outcomes there because there are 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you will take, and I have got 5, and if even it is even number or odd number, it is an outcome, so it is an event there. Okay, so now the events, the outcomes in real life, and this is a coin, you will toss it. I have got tail. This outcome in real life you can choose like this, I want to eat cake or that, I'll make, and I will get tail, means I'll take this only. So like this 24 life examples. Okay, so this was part 3. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And data handling is finished now. So next is square and square roots, and it will be published tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So thank you.